Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Taptap Send. In order to do so, here we are at taptapsend.com, and according to their website, Taptap Send allows you to send more and spend less. Send money from the UK, EU, US, UAE, and Canada, Australia to Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, and Latin America at a great rate. With fast transfers to mobile money wallets on popular networks, you can send money from your smartphone anytime, and you can get it on Google Play or download it on the App Store. Currently, Taptap Send has a 4.4 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot. But what does Cider AI have to say? Well, according to Cider AI, Taptap Send is a mobile money transfer service that allows users to send money internationally, particularly focusing on remittances to Africa and Asia. Here's a breakdown of its key features, pros, and cons. The app is designed to be simple and intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate through the money transfer process. Transactions are generally processed quickly, often within minutes, depending on the receiving country and bank. Taptap Send typically offers low fees and competitive exchange rates compared to traditional banks and other money transfer services. Users can send money using various payment methods, including debit cards, and bank transfers. The service is particularly tailored for the diaspora community, making it easier for immigrants to support their families back home. One of the main advantages is the low cost of transferring money compared to other services. Taptap Send is transparent about its fees, which helps users know exactly how much the receiver will get. Most transfers are processed rapidly, which is crucial for users needing to send money almost instantly, and many users report good customer service and support, which is essential for resolving issues promptly. While Taptap Send does cover several countries, it is important to check if your destination country is supported. Depending on the country, withdrawal options may be limited to specific banks or cash pickup locations, which could be inconvenient for some users. Users must rely on the app, which may not be ideal for those who prefer a web-based platform or have limited smartphone access. In conclusion, Taptap Send is a robust option for individuals looking to send money abroad, especially to African and Asian countries. Its user-friendly design, low fees, and speedy transfers make it a preferred choice for many. However, it's wise to check its availability for your specific needs and the supported payment methods in the recipient's country. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you will find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.